Welcome guys. Here today we have another 488 Ferrari Spider where we did some work to it, as well as had the ridiculous spoiler that was on here. We had to remove this whole back, remove the spoiler, redo this whole panel, had to do the repaint it, repair it, just bring it back to OEM specs, as well as the full kit on this one has the side skirt, the front carbon. It's a very full specs, got some stripe going along with it. The 488s are becoming more popular, and as well as the 458s. Some people like the natural aspirated, the 458 compared to the with the turbo 3.9s. But I think the two-tone is really nice to this. It's got some nice wheels, aftermarket wheels on it. As well, the full front, if you see, it's got the stripe that's going along. I think it looks pretty cool. This thing had some PPF issues to the front and as well as to the back. They had the pre-cut ones on it, and you could see the shifting from it. It wasn't that clean of a job, so we removed some of the PPF that was installed previously, but had the full car redone, did a full detail polish, the whole package on this thing, and now it's ready for delivery. It's available for sale. It's got the pretty cool specs. The interior has a really nice two-tone red and black color and carbon accents that are in there. Very nice. Come take a look. The Spiders you don't see much. I mean, you get the coupes a lot, but the Spiders, you don't see too many of them. Especially in a good condition. That's, you know, the paint, and it's been PPF from previous owners. But if you're looking for any type of protection for your car, maintenance work, rims, tires, or anything in that caliber, just hit us up at Royal GT Auto, 416-848-8798, and we'll take care of it from there. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more content. We have some very cool cars coming in and a very big exciting news for you guys. So stay tuned. See you till next time. I'm